Question number 8 of the PhilNITS FE afternoon portion of the exam. We are now in blank E, and for this question, it actually is a difficult question for me, quite challenging, because I couldn't really figure out why F is the best answer and not H. I did choose H, which turns out to be incorrect. Actually, too, when I was looking at the answer key, I thought I saw E, this one, and it turns out that no, it's not E, it's supposed to be F. And still, I had to investigate some more to see what the reason is why F is the best answer. But just to remind us, there is a difference between a course like this without the S in courses like this. So those two are different. One is the course class, the course object. The other one, the courses with the S there, is a hash map. And in this case, the way I solved it, or the way I got H, was to look at the code inside the if statement. Remember, we have to put the correct answer in the blank that is provided here. But first also, we have to look at what's inside the code and the condition necessary for us to get into the code. It's saying that the courses that size, the hash map size, should not be equal to or greater than the maximum courses, which means that the size should be below the maximum number of courses. And then if we keep this blank first, we see that the courses hash map here will be putting the course that we're adding into the hash map. And for the course object, the course class, we're setting the faculty using the ID. Now for E, it says that it should be course.getFaculty equals null, which means that the course doesn't have any faculty set yet. Alternatively, I was going for courses.get the course code equals null, which means that the course's hash map doesn't have the course ID yet. And so if we go with F as the correct answer, we'll still have to put the course code into the course's hash map, and the course.setFaculty, we still have to do it too, if only the course.getFaculty is equals null. Now for this part here, eventually we need to figure out why course.getCode equals null is wrong. And I think that if we look at some of the notes that I got here too, we can see that the course management class has the steps that we are doing. For example, new course would be here, and we're adding the codes into the hash maps because we have the courses hash map, faculties hash map, students hash map, and we're gradually filling them up using the instructions, the steps that we have here, until eventually we arrive at assign course, where from the faculties hash map we get the faculty class using the ID, and then we add the course. So we're adding the course into the faculty class. And so once we get into the add course method of the faculty class, we can see that we're only adding the faculty to that course which we are getting as a parameter only if the faculty or any faculty hasn't been assigned to that course yet. So it has to be null, okay? And that's only the time when we'll be adding the faculty to that course, setting the faculty to that course. Now for this one, it seems that the course's hash map, regardless of whether it's null or not null, we're still putting the course code into the course's hash map, okay? And in some sense, you can also think of this part here with the blank E as kind of like really H, in the sense that regardless of whether the faculty has been assigned or not, we still have to set the faculty, a faculty into the course, right? But maybe it's also because if you got the course class here and you want to just make sure that there's no faculty in there yet, then that's the only time that we'll set the faculty. So it could be that. And really, I think if we remove this part, we can still set the faculty, right? Because if you look at the code here, we're just setting the faculty. And if there's another faculty member who's been assigned to that course, we'll just replace it with the new one, right? But maybe they put this here just to tell us that we won't be able to change the faculty anymore once we've set it, okay? So maybe that's a lot more important than whether the course's hash map has the course code or not. And so the best answer in this case would be F.